Hello bachcho, let us read the question. With what minimum acceleration can athlete climb a rope whose braking strength is one third of his weight? Option A 6.67 meters per second squared. Option B 7 meters per second squared. Option C 8 meters per second squared. Option D 7.23 meters per second squared. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है न्यूटन्स सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. Newton's second law of motion. तो न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ से वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि जो जितने भी एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस है sum of all these external forces will be equal to mass times acceleration of the body. तो यहाँ पे F external, the summation F external is the sum of all the external forces. यहाँ पे m है mass of the body and a is the acceleration of the body. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो क्वेश्चन में डिटेल दिए हैं उसको नोट करेंगे. So we will start by saying let m be the mass of the athlete and a be the acceleration. जो acceleration के साथ वो ऊपर चढ़ रहा है that is a. So अभी एक diagram डालेंगे. Let us say this is the rope and let us say this is the athlete who is trying to climb this rope. तो ये ऊपर जा रहा है, so this is his acceleration. तो because he has also the gravitational force acting downwards, so he will experience a weight. अभी क्योंकि ये rope को अपनी तरफ खींच रहे, so there will be this tension which is acting upwards. So we can then say, given that the braking strength of the rope is T equal to 1/3 of the athlete's weight. तो अभी from Newton's second law अभी क्योंकि टेंशन का डायरेक्शन है upwards, the weight is downwards, so T minus W will be equal to M into A. तो क्वेश्चन में ये दिए है कि T is 1/3 of W minus W is equal to M into A. या फिर हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि MA is -2/3 W. या फिर we can write the acceleration as -2/3 into W by M. तो इससे हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि from this negative sign that the athlete is experiencing a deceleration although he is climbing upwards. क्यों उनके वजन के वजह से there is a weight which is acting downwards and that weight is decelerating the athlete. तो हम magnitude of A consider करेंगे, तो this will be 2/3 W by M. और हम जानते हैं कि W is mass into acceleration due to gravity. So we will substitute for that. So A is 2/3 into M into G divided by M. Therefore A is 2G/3. तो अभी हम G का वैल्यू 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर लेंगे, मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. So we will get A as 20/3 which is 6.67 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन को मार्क करेंगे। So the minimum acceleration with which the athlete can climb a rope, the correct answer is 6.67 meter per second square और correct option है option A. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.